Listen and practice. What do you want? What do you want? What did you say? What did you say? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? What's he up to? What's he up to? What makes you say that? What makes you say that? What do you think of that? What do you think of that? What difference does it make? What difference does it make? Who said so? Who said so? Who told you? Who told you? Who cares? Who cares? Where did you find it? Where did you find it? Where shall I put it? Where shall I put it? Where did you buy it? Where did you buy it? Where did you get that? Where did you get that? Where did you hear that? Where did you hear that? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? When do you expect them? When do you expect them? When does he come back? When does he come back? When did happen? When did happen? When did all this happen? When did all this happen? When did you send it? When did you send it? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where did you go? Where did you go? Why don't you go to there? Why don't you go to there? Who is your mother? Who is your mother? Where is your address? Where is your address? Who told you about that? Who told you about that? How much is it? How much is it? How far is it? How far is it? How long will you be still here? How long will you be still here? How can I get it? How can I get it? How often do you do exercise? How often do you do exercise? How long does it take to get here? How long does it take to get here? How many times do you read the book? How many times do you read the book? Which one do you like? Which one do you like? What do you want? What do you want? What did you say? What did you say? What do you suggest? What do you suggest? What's he up to? What's he up to? What makes you say that? What makes you say that? What do you think of that? What do you think of that?